Hey guys, Bitchin Seat Company here. We want to show off our OG original Bitchin Fit seat pan kit today. Check it out. We got an old article here from Easy Rider 2000 and what does it say, 4, where we did a article on our seat pan kits back in the day when the choppers were big. And now, I mean, we need to do this for the baggers because everybody's changing these things up with all the plastic hardware and different stretches on the bags, and the tanks are stretched and fenders and everything else, side covers. So a lot of people want to build these bikes a little different and run different combos of things. And when they do it, no seat pan's going to fit that combination properly. So we're going to educate you on how to make a Bitchin Fit seat pan for your bike. We don't sell these damn kits. We're selling you a seat. We're gonna build you a seat and we're gonna supply you with a free seat pan kit. So you're gonna pay a deposit on a seat and then we're gonna build it for you, and then you're gonna pay the balance before we ship it. You're gonna really dig it. Talk to you soon.